I used to read Touch magazine as a fan before I worked there, and tenacity. I wasn't, without being self-deprecating, I wasn't the best journalist, but I was the most tenacious. And I used to write religiously for 6 months to try and get work experience. So you should publish my work. I'm this great writer.
That wasn't to me, though.
That wasn't to Simon. It was to the editor at the time, who's called Jamie DeCruz, and he ended up producing an Oscar-nominated film, Exit Through the Gift Shop, with Banksy. He produced that. He was the editor at the time, and he's now actually a friend. And we were talking about a year ago, about how I used to literally bug the hell out of them. And he said, in the office, we just got so pissed off with you that we just thought we've got to give this guy work experience. that was his story. He said, I just used to phone them, I used to send them emails, and he said in the end we just caved in. But it was interesting that, I then ended up working with Simon as contributing editor. Because the start of the journey, I was just passionate and just really into the magazine. And so when students or others started emailing for internships, my test was, if they get back to me more than 3 times, then they're about it, they really want it. But I wouldn't answer an email unless they email me 3 times, because I want to see people's passion. So I just, if you email me twice, 3 times, I'll respond.